When you think about comfort, the first image that often comes to mind is a sofa, the heart of any living space. But behind every elegant piece of upholstery, there is a silent hero holding it all together, the frame. And when that frame is made of wood, it transforms from a mere structure into a statement of craftsmanship, nature, and timeless design. Wooden sofa frames have existed for centuries, yet their story never feels old. They have evolved alongside our homes, from grand carved heirlooms in old states into minimalist sleek silhouettes in modern apartments. What is remarkable about wood is its ability to adapt. It can appear rustic or refined, industrial or organic, classic or contemporary, depending on how it is treated, shaped, and paired. Unlike metal or plastic, wood has character. Each grain tells a story, where the tree stood, how it grew, and the life it once sustained. When a craftsman shapes that material into a sofa frame, they are not just building furniture, they are preserving a small piece of nature's artistry. There is something deeply human about that connection. Our instinctive pull towards materials that feels alive, that age gracefully, and that carries warmth into the spaces we live in. A wooden frame isn't just structure, it is emotion, memory, and texture all in one. From practical perspective, wooden sofa frames offer durability that few other materials can match. A well-built frame, whether in oak, teak, walnut, or reclaimed timber, can last decades, even generations. It absorbs the rhythms of daily life, the laughter, the conversations, the quiet evenings, without losing integrity. Wood flexes subtly with time, but it doesn't lose its soul. In fact, it becomes more beautiful as it ages. And that is the essence of good design, not perfection, but endurance. Designers today are rediscovering the art of visible craftsmanship. In many modern homes, the wooden sofa frame is no longer hidden under fabric. It is celebrated. The joints, the beams, the corners, they're intentionally exposed, polished, and shaped to create rhythm and structure. It is design honesty, showing you how the piece is made rather than concealing it. It is this interplay between raw strength and refined detailing that gives wooden sofas their unique appeal. The frame doesn't just support the cushions, it defines the mood of the space. Color and finish can play a massive role in how wooden sofa feels. A light ash tone radiates calm and modernity, while deeper walnut hues brings warmth and gravitas. Matte finishes feel organic and grounded. Glossy finishes introduce sophistication and urban polish. Every finish tells a story about the kind of space it belongs to and the people who inhabit it. And what is interesting is how easily wood pairs with other textures. Fabric, leather, rattan, metal. It plays well with everything. Never overpowering, but always grounding. That is why interior designers often describe wood as the anchor of a living room. It gives balance and presence to everything around it. There is also a deeper, more conscious side to the story of wooden frames: sustainability. In an age where mass production often overshadows craftsmanship, choosing wooden furniture can be an act of environmental respect, especially when reclaimed wood is used. Each piece carries a whisper of its past life. It might have once been a barn beam, a floorboard, or an old railway sleeper, now transformed into a new form of beauty. That is not just recycling, that is storytelling through design. Every mark, every uneven line becomes part of its identity, and people feel that authenticity even subconsciously when they walk into a room. Today's wooden sofa frames embrace versatility. They are being reimagined to fit a wide range of interiors, from Japan decor to industrial chic. Designers are playing with mixed materials, adding metal bases, woven details, or minimalist floating silhouettes. But no matter how far the aesthetics evolve, the wooden core remains central. It is what gives the design soul. You can change colors, shapes, or textures, but remove wood, and you lose the living warmth that makes a space feel truly human. A wooden sofa frame is more than furniture. It is a quiet expression of balance between design and purpose, strength and softness, human touch and natural grace. So until next time, happy decorating.